Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I love to show you how I always clean my fridge. Starting by removing the chat. Yeah, that's the way that I always clean mine. This is my I'm going to show you the dirt that is in the shelves. Yes, and I always have bicarbonate soda. It helps to curb the bad odor. The blueberry for my smoothie, and dark superior for my soup, and pilau. And that cartoon from Santa Maria, I'm going to show you a hack that I saw at Pick and Rage. Then of course water and my vinegar. Just, and then I have some skooma. I didn't have cling film, so we were going to consume it anyway. So some eggs, okay, 2 eggs, some tomatoes and some grapes, and what do we call yogurt for my boy. So there's nothing at my pizza, and please bear with me with that light. It was very, I don't know, it was dim. Bear with me. Yeah. So some dirt. So, that kidogo here and there, so I remove the compartment, and I just want to wash all of them. Yeah, that's what I was doing there. Of course, with the sponge, I normally use the other side, the rough side. Yeah, so there's some dirt there kidogo. Even forgot to remove that tape. I'm gonna feel the part. This light is good, I like it. And then I think still showing. Those are the things that I'm going to use. Bicarbonate and vinegar. You can add liquid soap if you have. Yeah. So just washing. Yeah, I was just showing you the place that I like washing the rough side. Wow, you seen my hands lately? Yeah, I think it's because of the cocoa butter that I've been using lately. You all know Susie Homestead. She was advertising some lotion and some cream for cocoa butter, Queen Elizabeth, and I got mine at Jumia. So it's very good. It's very effective on my stretch marks. I'm seeing they're fading away, and I think I like it. Yes. Scrub, scrub. Good girl. Do it, good girl. There we go. Scrub, 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 scrub. One hand is holding my camera, the other one is scrubbing, 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 scrub, scrub. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was doing here. Nothing more, just scrubbing and enjoy the video.